The Bird with Two Heads. Long ago, by a beautiful lake in the forest, there lived a very strange and magical bird called Bharunda. This bird was unique in all the world. It had two heads on two long necks, but they shared just one body. The two heads were like brothers, and they lived together with their beloved wife by the peaceful waters. One sunny day, as the Bharunda bird wandered through the forest, the first head spotted something wonderful, a beautiful red golden fruit hanging from a tree. He plucked it and took a bite. "Oh, this is the most delicious fruit I have ever tasted," the first head exclaimed with joy. "Surely this fruit has been sent from heaven." The second head watched eagerly. "Brother, please let me taste this wonderful fruit too," he pleaded. But the first head shook proudly and refused. "Why should I share? We have the same stomach. Whatever I eat goes to our stomach anyway. What difference does it make who eats it?" The second head felt deeply hurt by these selfish words. To make matters worse, the first head then flew to their wife and offered her the remaining fruit. "My dear, taste this heavenly fruit," he said sweetly. The wife happily accepted the gift. The second head watched in silence, his heart filling with bitterness and jealousy. He had been denied even a small taste, yet the fruit was given away to someone else. Days passed, but the second head could not forget the insult. The pain of being ignored by his own brother festered in his heart like a wound. "He treated me as if I don't exist," the second head thought bitterly. "He will learn what it feels like to be hurt." Dark thoughts of revenge began to fill his mind. One terrible day, the second head found a dark purple fruit lying on the ground. He knew this fruit well. It was deadly poison. A wicked idea formed in his mind. "If I eat this poison, we will both suffer. Then my brother will finally understand my pain." He picked up the poisonous fruit with grim determination. The first head saw the poisonous fruit and cried out in terror. "Brother, stop. Don't you understand? We share the same body. If you eat that poison, we will both die." But the second head was blinded by anger and spite. "Then let us both die," he shouted, and swallowed the deadly poison in one gulp. The poison spread quickly through their shared body. Both heads grew weak and collapsed together by the lake where they had once lived so happily. As they lay dying, the first head whispered sadly, "If only I had shared that fruit with you, brother." The second head wept, "And if only I had forgiven instead of seeking revenge." Together they passed away, destroyed by selfishness and spite. Moral: sharing good things is always good. Don't let ego and spite destroy what you have together.